Reaching retirement age and ready to claim Social Security? You can have your benefit payments deposited directly into your Fidelity IRA for seamless reinvestment. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, you must be of eligible age and have filed your claim with the Social Security Administration. During the application, you'll provide your bank routing and account number. For your Fidelity IRA, you can find these details under Account Information or Direct Deposit. Use Fidelity's routing number and your specific IRA account number. The SSA will then send payments electronically each month. My crucial pro tip? Consider the tax implications. Depositing Social Security into a traditional IRA doesn't make it a contribution and offers no tax benefit, it's just a cash deposit. More strategically, you could have it go to a brokerage account and then manually transfer what you need into your IRA if you're still making contributions. Integrate your government benefits into your overall retirement income strategy. Have you started planning how you'll take Social Security income? For more retirement income guides, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.